Hello, my name is Aaron Kahn. I am presenting my midterm oral report as part of Group 16, a mobile application for the parent management of pediatric PTSD. We are working with Phoenix Children's Hospital, where we're creating a mobile app for parents to help manage their child's PTSD symptoms after a traumatic injury. So our project consists of 10 sprints. We just currently finished our 7th sprint, where we focused on testing and refactoring. We used Jest, a JavaScript testing framework, to carry out our tests. So I focused on the resources page, which displays all the resources that are referenced in our app. So I set up the test to test the resources page like I did with every other class file that I did. But when the results came back for the test, it showed that my coverage was pretty low. It wasn't good. So I didn't understand what I was doing differently. I mean, the class did look a little different from previous classes that I did, but I went to look at Jest documentation, didn't find something there. I looked on Stack Overflow, couldn't find something. And then I approached one of my team members, Justin, who actually does testing at work during his daytime job. And he said that I was treating the resources file as if it were a component when it's actually a function. So in order to test a function, you need to have input in order to create an expected output. So what I did is that I imported JSON files that we are extracting data from, and I used that data from the JSON file to input into the function, and that function created an output. So this gave me 100% coverage across the board. What I did was that I defined the input. So when the output came out, it was the same output that I expected the test to be. So when I did a test, it outputted a file called a snapshot, and it compared it to a reference snapshot. And the two snapshots were the same, so it showed that my test did well. So next time I come across a problem similar to this, I am going to look at documentation, I'm going to do my research, and then I will go to a team member that may have more experience in this field, and I'm also going to test more so that I'm able to pick the right solution. Thank you.